on the corner of State and Crown, beatnik and a nine. Politics, cigarettes, and alcohol light the scene of literate song and bullshit. The dive school hall of character and sin gathers the hours of loss and sexual intrigue. Within the speaking verse, from the jester to the depth of music and words, strung out on the streets, a dark reality, cracking the doors of perception, upon a broken dreams thread of the city of night, New Haven and the Nine. Empties and fills wall to wall pictures of the past in presence of its people. Monday night and in the beatnik stir awake the silent rage and pleasantries of sex, love, and fantasy. A scandal of the mind's escape and beauty in this small corner of the world, passionate, creative, and alive. The face of this city and the nine reflects the distance, the closeness of who you are, screaming out from the wounds of emotion and the scars of stature, breathing the light of darkness, awakening in each and every one of us. Beatnik 2000. It's lust, it's love, it's pain, it's resurrection of the flower's sin, on death's smile and beauty, rising in the face of equality in a nation's blind integrity. Beatnik 2000. It's time and moment speaking its voice, your voice, my voice, that echoes off the walls and streets of a city of wandering depth, through the muse of its people and its contrast between its beauty and death. New Haven and the Nine, Cafe 999, number 9.